at the back of the TV, it's got the mounting brackets, but what you'll find out is that the screws are recessed really deep back in there. And so Sony provides you with a adapter which then fills that gap, and then you screw your mounting screw back into that. But interestingly, this is such a wide piece. You've got to have a ginormous screwdriver. Regular flathead. A regular flathead basically doesn't fit. So like, oh my gosh, really? So you need an extra wide flathead screwdriver to tighten these in. I'm going to try to tighten them by hand and see if that does any good. And this is a Sony BRAVIA 55 X80K from Costco. And there's your setup guide that came with it, and these little guys are the mounting screws. Then the instruction manual about mounting, kind of prepping it for a wall mount. It talks about the pattern, the wall mount pattern, which is a standard. And then it talks about removing the small screws and then putting in the special mounting screws. Okay, so here is the adapter for the wall mount. I'm going to attempt to go by hand here. You can see it will go in there by hand pretty good. And it does stick out quite a ways. So if you can find something flat and wide enough that'll fit in between these big teeth, and then you can screw it in, tighten it down. Okay, so then the next piece I'm going to put on is these back brackets. Instead of using the screws provided, I'm going to use the screws that were in the TV from Sony. So just a matter of lining it up with which holes get you in the top and the bottom connector, and then just tightening them down. Yeah, there it's going. Okay, both brackets are now installed, tightened up using the included screws from the TV. Okay, next lesson, moving the brackets down lower so my TV can sit up higher, because I'm doing it on a pedestal stand. So you can see where this is mounted pretty high. I'm going to move this second one down. I'm going to put it down in the lower position. So instead of way up there, I got to put it down here. Okay, another lesson learned. So when I was taking them back out to reposition, yeah, the mounting hardware also backed itself out. So I thought I had it in tight. It did back out as I was taking this screw back out to reposition my bracket. So, oh man. Okay, remounted down lower. Okay, so here's the TV stand. You can see where I've got it down here on the third one down, which gets it up a little bit. Okay, final product. I got the TV stand set up. It swivels. Actually, pretty good. I say it's like 30-degree swivel. I mean, that's a pretty good amount of swivel. You can see it swivels just on the top bracket there. It doesn't swivel by the base. But yeah, not bad. It'll work. It'll work. My idea was I didn't like the feet that come with the Sony. These things just don't give you any kind of ease of flexibility in turning your TV. So This makes it a little bit easier to turn it. You can have a better viewing angle from the kitchen or wherever.